Welcome to GroEzee, a smarter way to healthier life. If you are a beginner, you're gonna just love this product because this is going to help you to grow your food right there into your terrace or your balcony. The unique part of GroEzee is that it has two trees, the blue one which is the water reservoir and the green one which is the planter. We are going to fill up the planter with the soil mix that you need. Then add fertilizers on the top. This will ensure a fertile topsoil. Then moisten it with water, just right to make the soil humid. Dig holes into the sand. Now add seeds into these holes. It's important that the holes are at equidistance. This will ensure that the plants grow healthy because they would need the room to grow healthy. You can also club it up with another plant if you wish to. Now let's come to the watering. GroEzee comes with a water reservoir. Now fill up the water reservoir with water. The indicator will show you the water levels at all times. GroEzee uses the natural way of the environment to help you grow the plants. In nature, the plants grow and their roots reach up to the water. This makes healthy roots and also healthier plants, and that's exactly what you get when you use GroEzee to grow your plants. In 24 days, you would see your plants healthy, chirpy, ready for you to eat. You can grow as many plants as you wish and different varieties. Here are these examples of the plants grown using GroEzee. Art plastic. It is made out of high quality plastic, which makes it as a good choice for you to grow your plants for a longer period of time. It outstands the natural weather conditions and helps you grow more number of cycles of the plants. GroEzee, a wise and an economic choice. Get yours now.